Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be judging two of the
Introduction to साथ में हाँ.
the two top finest winemakers.
Winemakers नहीं drink makers.
Adobe है
Bartenders.
bartenders.
सस्ते bartenders.
Our local bartenders of Goregaon West. So today they have presented us with their signature drinks. Let them speak for themselves now. Introducing to you our first contestant, Sir Vidhan Mehta, with 6 years of drinking experience and 3 years of post-drinking experience, presenting his signature drink, Orange Randa.
I'm very happy to be here. I was in Udaipur. I never thought I will come to Goregaon West, but now I am
Why
here
is speaking in this accent?
because I am Indian. And today I have brought the best drink to my esteemed colleagues and esteemed judges. And I want to tell, I didn't want to kick Suhani's ass so hard, but I will do it. I will not do it. My drink will do it. And presenting to you,
मुझे मेरी drink की क्या दे?
tasteful with not like hers, which is untasteful. Sorry, tasteless. And we have this drink, which is called Orange Randa, because there is no Miranda. Yes, to you judges.
Cut to a quick montage.
Pee.
Presentation wise, it looks quite surreal.
Yeah, पहले
Sophisticated. I love the
Aesthetics.
presentation
It
of
is
using a wine glass.
little chaotic.
Yeah, that's our lives, baby. That's why
Okay.
I wanted to replicate our lives here.
It's more like your Mumbai life.
Yes.
You get mix of flavors from
Yeah.
different places.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And you just mix everything and fucking just gobble it up.
And
That
this
is what
are
you
you
do.
trying to go for the Indian flag theme with the orange and green?
No, I just wanted to go for Pakistan. But
Very,
I
very,
wanted to
very
go-
patriotic.
What are your rec?
It does taste like orange randa.
I would say the temperature is perfect in terms of ice,
Okay.
and I can taste
I
some
want to
hints
take
of
one more.
nice mint
Mm-hmm.
and some fragrances of the orange.
But were you able to taste alcohol?
I was coming to that point. Unfortunately, we didn't add enough alcohol in it. We should add a bit.
Sir, nothing is good enough for you. That is the issue. Oh, see, sir, we are making orange randa. No, we are not making you randa.
But this is a definitely awesome drink for a summer time
Yeah,
in
actually,
Mumbai.
I really like
and it really reflects the flavors of Goregaon.
भाई मेरी drink गर्म हो जाएगी. हाँ.
I want this to, my.
To be tasted by the competitor.
Yeah, how to make drinks. I want to know.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Now we have another contestant.
Yeah.
It's like coming from the city of Udaipur, the same city as our competitor, but with a different taste and a different mindset. She's here presenting her drink.
Pinky Licky.
Pink panty.
Pink Panty. This is my drink called Pink Panties. This has
lemon zest, mint, pomegranate, little sweetener and gin.
presentation के बारे में बोलना पहले उसके लिए बहुत सारा बोला था.
Presentation wise, it looks real clean, real classy, I would say. It's something I would drink over a formal event.
It's not very pink, but it's
Blush pink.
It's
It looks
blush.
like a mature person drink.
Yeah.
There is classiness.
पीछे मेरे drink है.
Sorry.
The initial reaction to the drink are very mixed, very complex emotions with this drink.
I don't think it's that bad. But okay. एक्चुअली जब तुम लोग विधान को बोल रहे थे दारू नहीं तो मैंने बहुत दारू डाल दी शायद.
I think we need at least half.
Cheating.
I would say in terms of alcohol level, it's perfect.
For an
A bit
alcoholic.
too perfect. And I'm running out of adjectives to describe.
एक बड़ी दूध भरना please.
But I think I need to take one more sip just to be sure. No, I was right. drink is awesome if you want to get wasted in the next 5 minutes.
It gets the job done.
It
It
is,
is.
it is described appropriately as a pink panty because you don't know what STD is hiding behind it.
Now, since it is already established that I won this contest, now I will have this. And since these fuckers know nothing about drinks, I will tell you.
Thanks.
It is alcohol,
And
honey, nothing else. It's the simplest drink. It's the simplest drink that anyone can make with a lot of aesthetics.
पानी क्यों डाला इतना इसके अंदर?
मुझे नहीं पता मुझे
So this is Nathan's drink, that is Mira's drink.
definitely.
Oh,
Let me also try this poison.
out of orange.
Fuck man.
This is what we do. Now this is also orange randa.
Yes, no, that's an orange
हाँ.
panty now.
इसने transition किया है. Orange randa has come out.
Shapeshifter.
Pink panty has come out as orange randa.
पी डरना.
You need to put Sprite
ये
इसमें.
हो गई थोड़ी सी बात.
No, you need to put Sprite उसमें.
I'll just have one on the rocks after this.